Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to get 100% free latest Microsoft Azure exam vouchers 2026. So we'll go through the step-by-step process to getting this voucher. So here get free Microsoft certification exam vouchers limited time offer till the 31st of May 2026. So looking to boost your career with the globally recognized certifications, here is a chance to earn free exam vouchers through the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program, that is the MAICPP, via the SkillUp with the LevelUp. So who will be eligible for this? This is the very important for you that only learners from the MAICPP partner domains and must complete the course after 30th of April 2026 5:45 p.m. IST. Must be along with the first qualifier, limited seat, first come first serve, and this is the eligible certification courses are there. Complete any of the following courses and practice tests. So these are the course AI-102, AZ-104, AZ-204, like that. Some of, list of the courses are there, and one more is there. It's a AB-100. This is a coming soon. Will be included in this offer. So important requirement is there for the more than 80% or higher in the practice test. So when you will complete the course, you will have a practice test and you have to complete more than 80% on that. Only one attempt is allowed and complete both course and practice test, and minimum 2 vouchers per learner. So offer deadline is there, valid till the 31st of 2026 or until voucher runs out. So just remember that you come first serve is there. So before May 31st and as soon as possible you can complete the course and complete the practice test, because until voucher are available until run out. So what happened after qualify? So receive a exam voucher code via email, check inbox and spam folder, redeem before the expiry date of mentioned. So why you should apply? So save your certification cost, gain in demand cloud and AI skill, boost your resume with the Microsoft certification, stay ahead in the tech career. So important note is that this is a limited time opportunity and vouchers are distributed on the first come first serve basis. Don't wait, complete your course and early. So this is the course platform. This is the URL. You will go through this URL. So here you can see accept all. So level up certification prep and achieve your solution designer goals for the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program. So if your domain is a cloud partner, then only you can able to register with this. So this is a limited time offer and till the 31st of May 2026 earn your free Microsoft voucher. There is a term and conditions are there. Let me go through the term and condition. So to eligible your voucher, you must meet the following criteria. These are the criteria. So this is the most important criteria is there. Only learner from the Microsoft AI Cloud Partner Program, that is MAICPP partner domains are eligible. They will not allow your Gmail and any personal email addresses. You must along with the first qualifier and limited availability and first come first serve. And these are the list of the courses and other details already we have discussed. So now if you click on the view eligible courses, here you can see the courses. So AI 102, AZ 104, AZ 204. So there is a many courses are there. Okay, as per your requirement, you complete the course and complete the practice test. So there you can see the courses. And one more thing, go through this one eligible voucher. So 104 administrator eligible voucher is there. So enroll and go through this. Now, when I'll open this link, uh, okay, one more thing. So there is a login button is there. You have to log in. You have to provide your email address and password. If you are new, so go to the create one. And more thing is that if you go with your name and they won't allow your Gmail address, so you have to go with the your partner program. This one I'm talking about the this Microsoft AI cloud partner program and this domain. Okay, so you have to provide that domain username password and you have to go for the register. When you will register, after that we'll go for the login. So after login, you will get this page. So there is a level of certification prep and limited time offer, view eligible courses and other details as I shown. So now you can go with the all details, and there is eligible voucher are there. So all the courses just like administrator and other languages are also there. So you have to choose the language. So English only is there. So there is a EN. So if you go to the eligible and you have to enroll the voucher. So enroll and you have to complete all the things. So here all the details. Welcome to certification prep and all the details are there. Practice test and take the practice test, validate your skill and all the other details are there. So now if you go with your dashboard, just like I have enrolled some courses and you can see your courses is there, your name, other details will be there and enroll courses just like 102 204 I have already completed. This is the new course. If you want to resume and you have to complete all the details and you can see with the progress report also. So in this video we have learned how to get 100% free latest Microsoft Azure exam voucher 2026. Again I am going to go through this part. This is who is eligible. So you have to go through this one. Only learners from the MAICPP partner domains are allowed. Okay. So you have to check your company is allowed or not, and these are the courses and other details are there. Disclaimer is there, all trademarks, logos, names belongs to their respective owners. This video made only for the educational and informational purpose under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. You can follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. And note, follow the process exactly shown in the video. Share this YouTube video tutorial with your friends and colleagues. Drop your question in the YouTube comment box. I'll reply personally. Subscribe for the first free tutorial and certification tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Hope this will help. Thank you for watching.